You do not need more scholarship tabs. You need a better way to search. If you've searched for nursing scholarships and ended up with expired links, random awards, and stuff that does not even fit your stage, this is exactly for you. Because most students are not failing to find money. They are drowning in bad search results. And in less than 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to turn that mess into a clean scholarship map you can actually use. Here's what usually happens. You search nursing scholarships. You open 10 tabs. 3 are outdated, 2 are for students already in nursing school, a few are vague. 1 sounds promising, but now you have to figure out deadlines, eligibility, and whether it is even worth your time. That is how students lose momentum. Not because they do not care, because the process gets messy fast. So instead of asking ChatGPT for a giant list, you give it a structured student profile and have it build a small, useful dashboard. That changes everything. Now you are not just collecting links, you are getting a sorted plan. Step 1 is simple. Copy the prompt. Replace only the bracketed parts. Student type, state, career goal, financial need, GPA if you know it, background tags, whether essays are okay. Weekly time available, school target, whether you are open to service commitment programs or employer-linked funding. And here is a big one. If you do not know something, write unknown. Do not guess. Then run the prompt. When the result comes back, do not try to absorb everything at once. Go in this order. First, check the student snapshot. Make sure ChatGPT understood your profile correctly. Next, go to the decision strip. This is the fast answer section. Best overall fit, best apply now option. Best high value option, nearest deadline, then go to best use of time first. That tells you where to start. Then go to apply now. That is your action zone. Then save for later. That keeps strong future fit options in one place without distracting you right now. This is why the result matters. It is not just a list of scholarships, it becomes your home base. You can see what is ready now, what needs FAFSA first, what needs admission first, what official pages matter, and what documents to gather before you start clicking around again. That is the difference between feeling scattered and feeling in control. Let's say a student in New York wants to go into nursing, has about 4 hours a week, and does not want to waste time on weak fit filler. Without a clear workflow, that student keeps collecting links and still does not know what to do first. With this prompt, the result turns into a clean list, a few strong apply now options, later stage options saved in one place, and a plan for this week. Same goal, much less chaos. Before you run the prompt, do these 3 things. Write unknown instead of forcing answers. Be honest about how much weekly time you have, and decide whether essays, service programs, or employer-linked funding are a yes or no for you. Those 3 filters make the result much cleaner. If scholarship searching has been eating up your time, this is one of the easiest ways to turn it into a real plan. Comment nursing if you want more prompts like this, and subscribe for more practical scholarship workflows that help you find money faster and waste less time.